Why is it better than time in the wars? Years make the body. The baby's born in 20 years out of the school. Even when I'm not putting on it, I'm too much time in mind. But you say you got humble, that's a get back out of body. My hands are touching my fist up. Never. See that for a time, I'm like, I'm just out of my face and chest. All this time, I'm present. People trying to sit around me. Say, who's up with boom out? Guys, I'm beating that shit down. This guy's sleeping all over. But there's a time, he said, get that down. Confusion.